Let's make pasta! Okay, hi guys, welcome to my channel Unrestricted with Mbali Nkosi. Today I'm joined by my sister, Ntsako.
Hi.
And she's gonna teach me how to make pasta. So introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Ntsako. What do you even say in the introduction? Hi, I'm Ntsako. Nice to meet you. We're gonna make pasta. I'm gonna show my sister how to make pasta. So right now I'm currently a culinary student. This is my final year, so I'm gonna just impart some knowledge.
Oh wow.
Some help you guys out.
Yes, there you have it. So the one thing I always thought was that you need like 10,000 things to make pasta, but clearly you don't. It literally looks like 3 different ingredients. So what do you need?
You need 500 mils of flour. So if you have a scale, about 300 grams of flour. You need 3 whole eggs and 1 egg yolk, and some ice water just in case it's a bit dry.
Perfect. So I've seen some people actually make pasta with different ingredients and some don't have egg. Why is that?
Because traditionally the eggless pasta is made from semolina flour. So if we look back in history, Italy was divided north and south. So the north side were the more moneyed people. They had more money. They
doesn't change anywhere in the world.
Fancy
same everywhere.
Literally, they could afford the more expensive ingredients, which was egg. Whereas in the south, egg was seen as a luxury, so they needed to make pasta without the egg, which was with semolina and just water.
Right.
So yes.
Okay. So what do we need? How do we start?
So basically, you can start with whisking the eggs and the egg yolk.
Okay. Is there anything in the flour, like salt or anything?
Yes, there's 2 grams of salt.
How are you telling us now?
Oh, sorry.
Okay, so for a person who doesn't have grams, how do I know how much is 2 grams of salt?
Basically 2 pinches.
Oh,
because
okay.
1 pinch is a gram. So
Okay.
2 pinches.
Okay, cool.
Yes. So basically you start with
A clean countertop.
pristine, sanitized, guys. Corona. So make a
circle.
make a little well in the middle. And then you're gonna pour your egg in the middle of the well. You're basically gonna, it's better to use one hand so you have one dry hand to catch.
Woo! Woo!
Basically. So the whole thing about pasta, it's not the same as kneading bread, right?
Yeah.
So the usual technique for kneading bread is you round it and then you press down, round, press down. Whereas pasta, it's all about compressing to keep it compact. So you press down like that. And just keep doing that. Try and keep it as much together as you can. So also, because basically the small parts dry out so quickly, you want to keep the smaller granules away from your dough, because then you'll get hard.
You don't keep the...
You don't get a lot of the little bits, so you try and push as much as you can, but the pieces that fall away, you don't really need to avid. Keep your hands clean too.
Okay. I really thought it was gonna be more work than that. Okay.
It's really simple.
So when does it get tricky? When you want to make like your spaghettis and stuff, that's when you need that machine.
I mean, technically you would need the machine for
Ravioli as well as
everything.
yeah.
Because you want to roll it out as
Thin
much as you
possible.
can. But not all pastas are super thin, so it doesn't have to be like... The only tricky thing is if you don't have like a spaghetti cutter on your machine, you'd have to cut it yourself, but that's about it. Like, it's nothing too complicated. The only time it comes off as complicated is because people don't like to make things at home. That's the only thing. So then this is where your ice water comes in. You want to use as little as possible, because a wet pasta dough is the worst thing, because it's hard to bring it back together again. So then you just use as you need.
And then like, how do you know when you need? So
when it's still pretty like
flaky,
falling apart. So you still want to try and bring it together as a dough. So you just keep, even if you just wet your hands slightly and then do it, that's enough, you know. You don't have to pour a whole spoon over it, because even that one spoon could have been too much. So then see, now it's starting to get a bit more.
Also, you have to do that until it's like soft.
Basically, as they say in school, it needs to feel like a baby's bum. Like, it needs to be not as rough. See, it's got a rough surface, and it needs to feel soft. So you just keep kneading it until it starts to look smooth. And basically, the pastry will like bounce back at you. So the more kneaded it is, the more elastic it is, and then it pushes back. What?
So I'll try it again. So
just push down.
Push down.
Use your stomach
and then
just push it down.
Yeah.
Squeeze it. Turn it around.
Squeeze it.
Push down.
Push down. Squeeze it. See all the anger I have in the world. I'm probably gonna be such a good kneader because all the stress, all this damn lockdown. Yes. Look at that. I'm even. Yeah, Ntsako. I'm even. Yeah, you see? Zulu hands. It feels like I'm making dombolo. Italian style. Alright. Push down, up. Push down, up. Alright, okay. This is my exercise for the day.
It helps to squeeze your abs in and you'll feel it. If you're doing it right, you'll feel it in your stomach. Legit.
I'm supposed to feel it in my stomach.
You'll feel it in your stomach. If you use your core to push down, you'll feel it.
I think I'm feeling it in my back and my arms. So I don't know, maybe the tension. Is it not supposed to feel sticky?
At some point it stops feeling sticky. And then it just feels like you're rolling dough. So now, lift up. This is why Italian guys are so buff.
Because they make pasta.
They roll pasta every day. Every single day. And like 1 kilogram batches. Not
the small thing. Wow. I'm even on my tiptoe. Oh my gosh, my soul. Yeah, no, ne? You must be grateful
for. Grateful for what?
Oh, I can feel it's getting less sticky. Ooh, it's actually feeling smooth. I feel like I've done something. It's the anger. It's all the lockdown. I'm actually smiling again. Wow. This helps with stress release. Guys, I found a new way to take away our stress.
Make pasta
for this lockdown. But it's actually a good thing, because then if people are stressing about like buying what do you call this, like food, just buy flour, salt, sugar,
and
eggs.
pasta lasts long. You can keep it in the fridge for up to 2 days. You can freeze it for up to 3 months.
What? 3 months?
Yeah.
So instead of buying that thing, you can actually just make pasta, keep it in the freezer. Yeah. But then when you take it out the freezer, isn't it frozen?
When you take it out, try and let it defrost naturally in the fridge overnight, and then it should work the same as it would now.
That's so cool. I'm gonna make. Oh, and I almost bought a pasta. Ooh, English. I almost bought a pasta machine at Yappy Chef, but then I ended up buying. No, but then I ended up buying.
Yes.
What's this? Oh, that's me on TV. What?
And try and keep it in a square. And then press it flat.
Doesn't it have to like rest for like 30 minutes?
Mm-hmm.
So that's after you roll it?
What do you mean? We're resting it now.
Oh, okay.
So you press it flat. And then you need to wrap it real tight because it needs to rest in the fridge.
Okay, cool.
Yeah. Then take it over.
Sure, that's like a tight seal. Alright, so it looks like a slice of bread. So that goes into the fridge.
Rest it in the fridge for about 30 minutes. Yeah.
What's the time?
20 to 8.